Welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. Good morning, students. Look at the question number 51. A spherical glass vessel has a cylindrical neck 8 centimeter long, 2 centimeter in diameter. The diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 centimeter. By measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds its volume to be 345 centimeter cube. Check whether she is correct, taking the above as the inside measurements, and pi is equal to 3.4. Okay. So now check the volume of spherical glass vessel. Okay. So here diagram. Okay. Here the cylindrical neck is 8 centimeter long, 2 centimeter in diameter. So its height is 8 centimeter and its diameter is 2 centimeter. Diameter is 2 centimeter. So here the spherical part is 8.5 centimeter. So here first we calculate the volume of the cylindrical neck and the volume of the cylinder. So this is the sum of this glass vessel. So here cylindrical neck has a length that is height of this cylindrical neck is 8 centimeter and its diameter is 2 centimeter. Diameter is 2 centimeter. So here the radius is half of the diameter. Okay, the radius is half of the diameter. So R is equal to 2 by 2. This is equal to 1 centimeter. So the cylindrical neck has the radius 1 centimeter. So this spherical part. So the spherical part has a diameter. Spherical part has a diameter is equal to 8.5 centimeter. So radius is half of the diameter. So R is equal to 8.5 divided by 2. This is equal to 4.25 centimeter. So this is the radius of this spherical part. Okay. So now calculate the total volume of the vessel. So here total volume of the vessel. Total volume of the vessel. Here the total volume of the vessel is the sum of the volume of the cylindrical neck and the spherical part. Okay. So this is equal to volume of the cylindrical neck plus volume of sphere. This is equal to, here volume of cylinder, the formula is pi r square h, plus volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So this is equal to, here pi is 3.14 into r is 1 square into h is 8 plus 4 by 3 into 3.14 into r is 4.25 whole cube. So whole cube, pi r cube. Okay. This is equal to, here 3.14 into here 8 plus 4 by 3 into 3.14 into here 4.25 into 4.25 into 4.25. This is equal to 76 point. This is 76.765625. Okay. So now simplify this. 3.14 into 8. This is equal to 25.12 plus here 4 into 3.14 into 76.76. So multiply this divided by 3. This will get 321.39. Okay. So 321.39. So this is equal to 346.51 centimeter cube. This is the total volume of the vessel. Total volume of the vessel. Okay. So now compare the calculated volume with the measured volume. So here the child measured the volume of to be 345 centimeter cube. So we calculated the volume is approximately 346.51 centimeter cube. Okay. So the difference. So ಈ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡಿರೋ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೊ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ದಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 346.51 minus 345 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1.51 centimeter cube. This is the small difference. Okay. So that the child's measurement is very close to the actual volume. Okay. So this child measurement of 345 centimeter cube is close to the calculated volume of approximately 346.51 centimeter cube. Therefore, she is correct. Okay. So approximately difference ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ so okay ಹತ್ರ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಆನ್ಸರು ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. Look at the question number 52. A solid is in the form of a cone mounted on right circular cylinder, both having same radii as shown in the figure. The radius of the base and height of the cone are 7 centimeter and 9 centimeter respectively. If the total height of the solid is 30 centimeter, find the volume of the solid. Okay. So here, now identify the given values. So here, the solid, this solid is the combination of cone and ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ಅಂಶಗಳನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕೋನ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ radius of the cone is equal to this. Take this as RC. This is equal to 7 centimeter. And height of the cone, here height of the cone, this is equal to 9 centimeter. Okay, so now the total height of the solid is given. The total height of the solid, this is equal to 30 centimeter. Okay, the total height of the solid is 30 centimeter. So radius of the cylinder, so here the radius of the cylinder, the radius of the cylinder is R cylinder. This is equal to the radius of the cone. Okay, this is equal to 7 centimeter. So now calculate the height of this cylinder. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ಸಾಲಿಡಿನ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ 30 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ. ಅದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕೋನಿನ ಹೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಎಷ್ಟು 9 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರಿನ ಹೈಟ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ದ ಹೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕೋನ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರಿನ ಹೈಟ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು the total height of the solid is h minus cone of the height of the cone. Once again, here total height. This is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ? So height of the cone plus height of the cylinder, alva? So this is total height. Here the total height is given. This is 30 is equal to height of the cone is 9 plus height of the cylinder. So height of the cylinder is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Total height minus height of the cone. This is equal to 30 minus 9 is equal to 21 centimeter. This is the height of the cylinder. Okay. So next we calculate the total volume of the solid. So total volume of the solid. Okay. Total volume of the solid. So here total volume of the solid is equal to, which is the sum of the volume of the cylinder plus volume of cone. So this is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of cone. So here volume of cylinder, this is equal to pi r square h, cone cylinder, plus volume of cone is given by 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is cone. This cone is equal to, here pi is 22 divided by 7 into r is 7 centimeter into h, so r square, so into h is height of the cylinder is 21 centimeter plus 1 by 3 into pi is 22 divided by 7 into 7 r square, pi r square h. See, yes, 7 into 7 into height of the cone is 9 centimeter. This is equal to, here 22 divided by 7 into 7 into 7. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ second term ಅಲ್ಲೂ 22 divided by 7 into 7 into 7 ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ನಾನು, 22 divided by 7 into 7 into 7 is common in both sides. So here remains 21 plus 1 by 3 into 9. Okay. So here 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. This is 22 into 7 in bracket, here 21 plus here 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. Okay. This is 21 plus 3. So next 21 into 22 into 7 is equal to 154. Okay. 154 plus into 21 plus 3 is 24. So multiply this is equal to 3696 centimeter cube. This is the total volume of the solid. Okay. This is the total volume of solid. Hence the answer. Look at the question number 53. A solid is in the shape of cylinder with a cone attached at one end and hemisphere attached to the other end as shown in the figure. All of them are of the same radius. If the total length of the solid is 61 centimeter and height of the cylinder is 30 centimeter. So calculate the cost of painting the outer surface of the solid at the rate of rupees 10 per 100 centimeter square. Okay. So here we calculate the outer surface area of the solid. So here the outer surface area of the solid is the sum of the curved surface area of cylinder, the curved surface area of cone, and the curved surface area of the hemisphere. Okay. So here first we calculate the curved surface area of cylinder. Okay. So here curved surface area of curved surface area of cylinder. This is equal to, what is the formula of this curved surface area of cylinder? This is equal to 2 pi RH. Okay, this is equal to 2 pi RH. Here equal to 2 into 22 divided by 7 into here R. So R is radius of the cylinder. This is 7 centimeter. Into H is the height of the cylinder is 30 centimeter. Okay. Height of the cylinder is 30 centimeter. So here this is equal to, here 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. This is equal to 2 into 22 is 44 into 30. This is equal to 44 into 30 is 1320 centimeter square. Okay, this is the curved surface area of cylinder. So next we calculate the curved surface area of hemisphere. So surface curved surface area of hemisphere. This is equal to, here 2 pi r square. This is the curved surface area of hemisphere. This is equal to 2 into 22 divided by 7 into, here r is the radius of the hemisphere. This is 7. Okay. This is equal to 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. So here 44 into 7. This is equal to 7 4s are 28, 7 4s are 28, 30. So this is 308 centimeter square. This is the area of the curved surface area of hemisphere. So next we calculate the curved surface area of cone. So curved surface area of cone. This is equal to, curved surface area of cone is pi RL. Okay. This is equal to, here pi is 22 divided by 7 into R is 7 centimeter and L is the slant height. Okay. So slant height. Here the cone attached to one end. Here this cone height of the cone is, so height, total length of the solid. Here the cone height 61 centimeter, and cost of the painting. Here all of them. Here the same radius is 7 centimeter. The total height of the solid is 61 centimeter, and height of total height is 30, so 61 centimeter. So the height of the cone is equal to, here total height of the solid minus height of the cylinder. Okay, so idanna minus ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ height of the cone ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. So 61 minus 30. 61 minus 30. This is equal to, one second. So here, now calculate the first, this curved surface area of cone. So here curved surface area of cone is pi r L. Okay. So here L is the slant height of the cone. Okay. So the total length of the solid. So here total length of the solid is given 61 centimeter. So here the height of this cylinder is equal to 30 centimeter. Okay. The radius of this hemisphere is 7. Okay. The radius of the hemisphere means the height of the hemisphere. Okay. ಎರಡು equal ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ this height of the hemisphere ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 7 centimeter ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So here this height of the cone means total height of the solid minus height of the cylinder minus height of the hemisphere ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ height of the cone ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay. So now here calculate height of this slant height of the cone. So slant height of the cone. this is equal to total length of the solid, so minus height of the cylinder minus height of the hemisphere. Okay, height of the hemisphere. ಸೊ ಇವುಗಳನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ, height of the cone ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ height of the cone ಮತ್ತು height of the this radius of the cone ಇಂದ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, slant height ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ height of the total length ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು, 61 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಮೈನಸ್ height of the cylinder ಏನಿದೆ 30 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ height of the hemisphere. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 7. So this is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 61 minus 30 minus 7 ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 24 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. So this is the total this cone height. Okay, this is the cone height. So ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, cone height ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So ಈಗ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, slant height ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ by using the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, so this is equal to L is equal to square root of R square plus H square ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೋನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ ಕೋನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೇನೆ. ಸೊ L is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸೊ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕೋನ್ ಏನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ 7 ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕೋನ್ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ನಾವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಲೆಂತ್ ಮತ್ತು ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಫಿಯರಿನ ಲೆಂತ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು, ಹೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕೋನ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕೋನ್ ಏನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 24 ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ 7 into 7 is 49 plus here 24 into 24 is 576 ಅಲ್ವಾ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ 49 plus 576 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, 6 plus 6 5 plus this is 7. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 625 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ L is equal to here square root of 625 is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 25 centimeter. This is the slant height of the cone. Okay, so now calculate the curved surface area of cone. So here curved surface area of cone. Curved surface area of cone. So this is equal to pi RL. Here pi is 22 divided by 7 into R is 7 into L is the slant height. So this is equal to 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. So 22 into 25. This is equal to 550 centimeter square. This is the curved surface area of cone. So now calculate the total outer surface area of the solid. Okay, this is equal to here total surface area. This is equal to curved surface area of cone plus curved surface area of cylinder plus curved surface area of hemisphere. This is equal to here curved surface area of cone is 550 plus curved surface area of cylinder is 1320 plus curved surface area of hemisphere is 308. This is equal to here 2178 centimeter square. Okay, this is the total surface area of this solid. Okay, so now calculate the cost of the painting. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಣ್ಣ ಹೊಡೆಯಲು ಎಷ್ಟು ಖರ್ಚಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. Okay, so here the rate of painting. So the rate of painting rupees 10 is per 100 centimeter square. So the cost of painting is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? The cost of painting. This is equal to here total surface area divided by 100 into rate. So this is equal to here total surface area is 2178 into 10 divided by 100. 0 cancels. Here this is equal to 217.80 rupees. Okay, 80 rupees. So therefore the cost of painting the outer surface of the solid is 217.80 rupees. Okay. Look at the question number 54. The bottom of a right cylindrical shaped vessel made from metallic sheet is closed by a cone shaped vessel as shown in the figure. The radius of the circular base of the cylinder and radius of the circular base of the cone each is equal to 7 centimeter. If the height of the cylinder is 20 centimeter and height of the cone is 3 centimeter. So calculate the cost of milk to fill completely this vessel at the rate of rupees 20 per liter. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಒಂದು ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಕೋನವನ್ನ ಒಳಗೊಂಡಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಕೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಸೊ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಪಾತ್ರೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಹಾಲು ತುಂಬತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ದ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಸಿಲಿಂಡರ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು volume of cylinder is equal to here pi r square h. Okay, pi r square h. This is equal to here pi into here r is the radius of this cylinder is 7 into 7 into height of the cylinder is 20 centimeter. Okay, so here 7 sevens are 49 into 20 into pi. This is equal to, so here 980 pi centimeter cube. This is the volume of the cylinder. So now calculate the volume of the cone. So volume of cone. Volume of cone. So this is equal to, here volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So this is equal to 1 by 3 pi into 7 into 7, 7 square into h is the height of the cone. Here height of the cone is 3 centimeter. So this is 3. So this is equal to 1 by 3 into pi into, here 7 sevens are 49 into 3. Here 3 cancels. This is equal to 49 pi centimeter cube. This is the volume of cone. So now calculate the total volume. Okay, so here this volume is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, volume of cylinder minus ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, volume of cone ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Okay, this is the actual volume of this solid. Here the volume of cylinder is equal to 980 pi minus volume of cone is 49 pi. This is equal to 980 minus 49. This is 1, here 3, 931 pi centimeter cube. Okay, this is the actual volume of this vessel. Okay, this is equal to 931 pi. Okay, here pi is equal to 22 divided by 7. So here 7 ones are 7, 7 ones are 7. Here 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21, again 7 threes are 21. This is equal to 133 into 22. Okay, this is equal to 2926 centimeter cube. This is the volume of this vessel. So now calculate the total cost. Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ಲೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದಿ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಟು ಲೀಟರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ this becomes, here given that 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. Okay, 1 liter. So here this volume of this volume in liter, this is equal to 2926 divided by 1000. So ಇದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಇಂದ ಲೀಟರ್ಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2.926 ಲೀಟರ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, this is the volume of the volume in liter. So now calculate the total cost. Okay, so here the cost of milk is rupees 20 per liter. Okay, so the cost of this volume in liter into rate per liter, rate per liter, this is equal to, here volume of this in liter is 2.926 into 20 rupees. This is equal to 58.52 rupees. Okay, this is the cost of milk to fill the vessel completely is 58.52 rupees, 52 rupees. Okay, this is the answer. So 55. A milk tank is in the shape of a cylinder with hemispheres of same radii attached to the both ends of it as shown in the figure. If the total height of the tank is 6 meter and the radius of the tank is 1 meter. So calculate the maximum quantity of milk filled in the tank in liters. Okay, so first we calculate the maximum quantity of milk. Okay, so now identify the components in this tank. So here the total height is given. Total height. The total height of the tank is H, capital H. This is equal to 6 meter. So here radius of the cylinder and hemisphere is same. So radius of the cylinder, and hemisphere is given. This is R is equal to 1 meter. So here the total height is given. This is 6 meter. So here we find the height of the cylinder. So here the height of the cylinder means total height of the cylinder minus height of the two hemisphere ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಆಗ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ, height of the cylinder ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, that height of the cylindrical part, the height of the cylindrical part, H, this is equal to total height of the tank minus height of the two hemisphere. So height of the two hemisphere. So height of the hemisphere means this is equal to the radius of the hemisphere. So here H minus 2 into R. Okay. This is equal to, here height of the tank is 6 meter minus height of the radius of this hemisphere is 1. Okay. This is equal to 6 minus 2. This is equal to 4 meter. Okay. This is the cylindrical part height. Okay. 4 meter. So we'll next calculate the volume of the cylinder. So here volume of the cylindrical part is equal to, here is equal to pi r square h. Pi into, here r is radius of the cylinder, this is 1 into h is 4. Okay. This is equal to 4 pi centimeter cube. This is the volume of the cylindrical part. So now calculate the volume of the hemispherical part. Okay. Volume of hemisphere. So here in tank, so volume of hemisphere ಏನಿದೆ, 2 ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಬೋತ್ ದಿ ಎಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಮಿಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇವುಗಳ ಎರಡನ್ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೊಂದು ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪಿಯರ್ ಇನ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಿ, 4/3 pi r cube ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್. ಓಕೆ. is equal to volume of 2 hemisphere. This is equal to 1 sphere ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So here 4/3 pi r cube. So this is equal to 4/3 pi into r is radius of the hemisphere. This is 4/3 pi meter cube. This is the volume of 2 hemisphere. So now calculate the total volume of the tank. So total volume of the tank. Total volume of the tank. This is equal to volume of cylinder plus volume of 2 hemisphere. This is sphere. This is equal to, here volume of cylinder is 4 pi plus volume of sphere or volume of 2 hemisphere is 4/3 pi. So here 4 pi is common in both the side. So 1 plus 1/3. This is equal to 4 pi into 4/3. So here 16 pi divided by 3. Okay. So here this is equal to 16 divided by 3 into 3.14. So here 3 ones are 3, 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. This is equal to 5.33 into 3.14. This is equal to 16.746 centimeter cube. Okay, so meter cube. This is the total volume of the tank. So here now convert the total volume of the tank from cubic meters to liters. Okay, so ಲೀಟರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ, ನಾವು ಲೀಟರಿಗೆ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಏನ್ ಹೇಳಿ, 1 ಮೀಟರ್ ಕ್ಯೂಬ್ ಈಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1000 liters. Okay, so now the total quantity of milk, total quantity of milk is equal to 16.746 into 1000. Okay, this is equal to 16746, 16,746 liters. Okay, so the maximum quantity of milk that can be filled in the tank is approximately 16,746 liters. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, we'll end the class, continue in the next class. Thank you all.